In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Okro and Indian hemp hair grease to grow your hair much faster. Ever since chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I've been using natural ingredients like cloves, ginger, fenugreek, flax seeds, and many more to grow my hair. And now my hair is really flourishing and growing really fast. If you really want to know how I use Okro to grow my hair, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So I went to the grocery store to get myself some okra. I brought it home and started with my recipe. You can use fresh okra, frozen okra, or any okra that you come across. Just make sure it is in good condition. And this is the okra I'm going to use today. And here you are, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we give videos thumbs up before even watching it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster as well as simple hairstyle tutorials. So it's always jamming on here. Make sure to join us. Alright, so I put my okra in a saucepan like so, added about a cup of water and I'm going to boil it. So if you're using the fresh okra, just wash your okra, chop them like so, add your water and put it on the stove. It's as simple as that. So we're going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes or till you see the slime form on top of it. I'm just using the spoon to mash it up a little bit, you know, just to make it a little more slimy. But you can also blend your okra before boiling it. That will also make it really slimy because we need that slime or that slip to it. Alright, so at this point, it is time to strain our okra. You just use your strainer, or you can use any cheesecloth, anything that has small holes to strain your okra. We only need the okra juice, so you can use your okra for your favorite dish. I would love to hear from you in the comment section where you are watching me from. And also, I would love to know whether you use okra in your cooking. And if you do, which kind of meals do you use okra for? Share with me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So at this point, I'm going to add my favorite conditioner. Feel free to use any conditioner of your choice. You know, the very conditioner you are using. Do not go to the store running out to find out this same conditioner. Your conditioner will work as well. After, I'm going to add some castor oil. Castor oil helps moisturize the hair and it also strengthens the hair strands and promotes hair growth. After adding the two, I'm going to stir it together like no one's business. And here, if you're still watching this video to this point, I know you're really enjoying it because I enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload simple DIYs like this, you will be notified. Alright, so after mixing it, just pour it into your applicator bottle like so. Give it a shake. If it doesn't really mix well together, do not worry. It's still going to do the work. We just need the two together, okay? Your conditioner, your okra, and some castor oil. So aside this treatment helping to detangle your hair, it is also a deep conditioning. So make sure your hair is washed, it's shampooed, washed before using this treatment. So my hair is all washed and I'm using this as a deep conditioning. Let me tell you some benefits. Because okra has the slip, it is going to help make detangling much easier. It is going to strengthen your hair strands and also make you grow your hair much faster. Okra is rich in vitamins A, C, and K and has calcium and potassium as well. All these vitamins are great for hair growth. Okra can help moisturize your dry scalp and also get rid of dandruff. Okra can also be used to fight frizz. Since it has a slip to it, it can be used to smooth the cuticles and also repair damaged hair. It hydrates and moisturizes your hair, it has antioxidant, and it promotes scalp health. It also helps make detangling much easier and help promote hair growth. So if you haven't been incorporating okra into your hair growth regimen, girl, this is time to give it a try. So as you all know, hair breakages is very serious when it comes to growing your hair. If you keep losing your hair is not going to grow thicker or longer. So any hair care regimen that will make detangling your hair much easier is a go-to regimen that you have to follow. And that is why I love my aloe vera, my okra, and my flax seeds. because these natural ingredients have slip to it, and when added to your hair, it adds some shine to your hair, makes the tangling much easier, and for that matter, your hair is not going to break, and it will prevent hair breakages, split ends, balding, and anything that comes with hair loss. So if you haven't been incorporating these natural ingredients into your hair care regimen, girl, you're just wasting so much time. You are missing out. And that is what I do on this channel. So make sure you're always watching my videos, okay? After applying the okra gel in my hair, I'm going to cover with a plastic cup and leave it for 45 minutes. So it is time to take off the cap, and this is how my hair is looking. Girl, come a little closer. Come a little closer. Look at how soft my hair is. I would love to hear from you in the comment section whether you've used okra in your hair before, or let me know your favorite natural ingredient that you have tried in your hair, whether rosemary, cloves, ginger, anything that you have used. Let me hear from you in the comment section. So at this point, I'm only going to rinse it out with water. Then after that, I'm going to dry my hair and I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I also go in with my coconut oil. I love coconut oil in my natural hair. Then this is going to be my cream or my hair moisturizer. I'm going to show you how I make my own hair moisturizer or maximize the benefits of the Indian hemp hair grease. So I take some hair grease like so and I put it in a bowl. Then after that, I'm going to add my favorite oil, which is the tea tree oil. Just reading on the bottle, you will see a whole lot of benefits of tea tree oil to our natural hair. It helps prevent dandruff, it helps treat your scalp, and promotes hair growth. So I add a few drops to it. Then I'm going to add my favorite oil, which is the Jamaican black castor oil. If you're growing natural hair and you don't know about this oil, girl, you are missing out on something good. Jamaican black castor oil can help you grow your hair much faster. I also love my lavender oil, but you can add any essential oil of your choice, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, or any oil of your choice. This will help strengthen your hair strands and also add some fragrance to it. You're going to add some pure glycerin. Glycerin will help smoothen your hair cuticles, prevent hair breakages, and help keep your hair moisturized for a very, very long time. After that, I'm also going to add some shea butter. Shea butter is great for natural hair. It helps prevent hair breakages, dandruff, and also helps moisturize your hair. After putting everything together, I'm going to give it a stir. Make sure they are all mixed in very well. This treatment or this hair grease combined with all these other ingredients will prevent hair breakages, promote hair growth. If you have split ends, if you are balding, you should be using this combination, because this combination is going to leave your hair moisturized for a very long time. Then do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle after every good treatment. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you at my next one. Bye.